Hi guys, I wanted to show you in this video a thermal printer that I purchased during Amazon Prime Day. I really like it because it doesn't use ink and it uses Bluetooth to print out, which is pretty cool. It comes with this stack of shipping labels, but you can use it for other things too. And I like that I can design on my iPad or my phone. So that makes it really handy. And I actually did a return label using this, and it worked out great. So to turn this on, there's a little button, right, a little switch. And so to turn it on, you just flip it on. And then to open up the printer, I'm using a spoon because I don't want to break my nail, but you just pull the lever this direction towards you, and then you lift it up and you'll see that, so this is the slider and you can change the width to accommodate the sticker size. And it does need to hit the roller, otherwise it won't go forward. And you will, as it feeds, you will lose one sticker each time. So that's just the way it goes. But I bought a roll of these round stickers. I think there's like, I don't know, 500 or so stickers, which that's plenty. Okay, it comes with an app, a QR code that you can use to get it. So anyways, so you'll find it. And the templates, this is the thing, if there's a downside, is I wish that you can save your sticker designs. I'm not really seeing that. Like once you format it, I'm having trouble. Each time I have to kind of manipulate it. But if you click on template, you can click on new template, and there is circle in this case, and then I choose a 2-inch. And it's 50 millimeter, and that's important to remember, that size. And then you can go to image, and then you can go to gallery, and you can click your image. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit print, which is kind of counterintuitive because you can see how small this is as opposed to the circle. But you just click edit. And then what you'll do is you'll click on ratio. And in this case, I choose custom. And then I'm going to just move the corners here so that it makes more of a square, and then it kind of fills up the space. Now, one thing that I notice, it has a tendency to print with a gap on the top part. So I'm just going to shift it a little bit to make it a little bit more bottom heavy. This is probably too big of a gap, so let me do that. And I'll just shift it a little bit more so that the gap on the bottom is smaller than the top. And then click the check mark. And then you scroll down, and because I've been using this today, it automatically shows the 50, but I actually had to select custom and select the 50/50. You can select this arrow button and you'll get more choices, but you're going to see you don't see a 50/50 here, which that's kind of annoying because you can't save this, which I wish they had the ability to save it, because it's a standard sticker that they sell, and it would be nice to be able to save it. So each time you have to do this, which is kind of a drag, but that's how it is. Okay, so to test print, I'm going to go ahead and hit the print icon, and there you go. That's how it prints out. And every once in a while, it'll skip a sticker, which that's kind of annoying too. I don't know why it does that, but it does. It's happened to me twice now. But other than that, I really like them. I just designed this in Procreate and it was really easy. And I also played with the rectangle one, and I just made a mug cake sticker to put on my jars. So I do a lot of jams and stuff like that, so this is kind of fun for that kind of stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's really a fun little thing, and you don't have to worry about ink. Supposedly you can hook this up to your computer, although when I read reviews, people said that they weren't able to. But not a big deal for me, because I'll just send it to my iPad and be good. And now when I send out shipping labels, they'll look more professional, and that's kind of fun. And so anyhow, and I don't have to use packing tape to affix the label to the envelope or the package. And I just wanted to show you that the footprint for this printer is relatively small. So there's my cup in comparison, and I'm so tempted. They have different color labels, and they also have thermal color changing labels, and I'm so tempted to buy those, but it's a lot of stickers for just because I want to play with it. I don't know. So maybe I'll sell stickers. Would you guys be interested in address stickers? I can make those, so let me know. Because if you are, then maybe I'll buy the labels. And a cute little side hustle. I'm not going to get rich off of it. I just want to be able to justify buying more labels. All right. Well, until next time, I'm sending you love. And remember, life after 40 is good, and so are you. Bye-bye.